Hi everyone, welcome back to another local lake episode, Fishing Me DYangBass. You guys know that this lake I fish pretty often, ice fishing, spring fishing, crappie fishing, bluegill, everything. This lake's not too far away from me. It's a local lake. And today we're gonna do some bass fishing. Do I know what we're gonna catch? Not really, but we're gonna try. We have till 11, maybe 12. We have till 11 to 12 to fish. It's windy, it's cloudy, it's overcast, it's dark. It's okay condition. It's after the rain condition. Just recently they had a tournament here this past weekend. So these fish may or may not be here. I don't know. That's what we're here to find out. We're gonna go fish some points that I know of. I think I know of. And hope for the best, because your boy ain't got no plans, but we're gonna learn together. We're gonna talk while we fish. I was gonna go do some river fishing, but man, this condition is not in my favor, guys. It's cold too. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty cold. All right, let's do some fishing. Stay tuned. Oh, I was talking this whole time and I wasn't even recording, but now I am. Anyways, yeah, I am fishing. It's been a while since I've been on the boat, so I'm really rusty. I'm just trying to get in the tune here. I've been doing a lot of river scouting. Oh, I got some. I got fish. I got fish. I got fish. Oh my god, I got fish. Dude, what the heck? I don't know what a bass feels like. Nice, dude. Back hook, back hook. I actually got a fish, dude. Oh my god, that's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. I've done this last night too. Oh, back hook, back hook. Stay, stay, stay. Yes. Oh, that's actually a good fish, guys. Dude, I just turned on the freaking camera because I wasn't recording. Wow, dude. Nice. I was just complaining about how I forgot to record that first like stretch there. Dude, that fish is thick. That's a thick fish. Yep, good keeper in the well. So let's get our best 5 going here. Okay, I could work with that. Oh, man, I want to dock fish so bad, but it's not time yet. Sure isn't time yet. See some big fish cruising around here. I'm not necessarily fishing docks, I'm just casting into where the shallow areas are. So, like what I'm casting to is like probably like 5 feet only. I just want to see if there's anything here, that's all. It's a nice structure, I guess. Sometimes at night, you know, like in the morning, they come and hang around this area. Got one. Yep, right there, yep. Just like, oh, juice. Just like what I said. Oh, back hook, back hook, back hook, back hook, back hook, back hook, back hook. Yep. Exactly what I just said right there. He was hanging by the structure. It's a nice bass, nice bass. Come on, stay down. Stay on. Come here. Yes, that's a nice bass. Woo, 2-pounder. He was hanging right on the side of the dock, guys. Whoa, it's crazy. Ah, poked myself. There you go, fish number 2. Right on the side of the dock there. Not necessarily like under it, but that fish was like right next to it, dude. Woo, that was cool. My theory was that they're going to use these docks as ambush point, you know, in the morning time to eat gills, shad, big fish in general. And I was right. Oh, it's a freaking snapper. That's what it was. Big ass snapper. Huge snapper. It's not hooking to one of those. No. Got him. Yep. Oh, it popped off. I think that was a pike, dude. That had to be a pike. I had him. Whoa. Maybe I ran into a carp. I don't know. I don't know what that was. It felt like a pike though. It did a lot of twirls. I can't believe the water temp is only... That's... Oh, dude, I got a fish. What the heck? Oh, I actually got a fish. It's a nice bass too. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, jeez. I don't know. I put myself in this situation all the time. I thought I got snagged up. Well, let's... Yep. So pretty good. Yes. Dude, yes. I thought I was snagged up. This dude was on there. Man. There you go, guys. Fish number 3. Am I hitting bottom? Holy cow, I'm hitting bottom. It's crazy. Maybe that's why. Got one. Yep, right there. It's not that big, I think. Oh, it's a pike. Jeez. That's what it was. I knew it felt kind of weird. Hello, guy. First slithery snake of the day. I love you guys. I mean, I do, just not when I'm throwing crankbait. Chill. I was hitting bottom too much, that's why. Yep, slithery guy. See ya, buddy. Do a backflip and everything. Got him. Yep. Chunky little guy. Okay, I'm gonna crawl. Nice. Wow, that was fast. That was really fast. Switched over to a crawl. 1 minute in. He got one. Just one on the crawl. Gonna go back to cranking, see what happens. I always want to throw a swim bait, like a 4-inch. I don't know yet though. Oh, dude, right in front of me. Oh my gosh. That's a nice fish. I think it's a pike. That's a really big fish. That's a really big fish. It's really big. Oh my god, it's a really big fish. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, it's a pike. Damn it. Switched over to the crankbait. Dude just smokes it. It's not a big pike, but it's a good pike. Yeah. Wow. Dude, look at how pretty that thing is. Holy bloodiness. You're bleeding, mister. There you go, guys. That is a pike. Bloody pike. Look him right in the face. Yeah, it's a good fish. Good release. Gosh, look, blood all over the place. 6-cent whale. These things are awesome. So it seems like they're on some bayfish bites, so that's what we're gonna stick to. That's the plan. Yep, there we go, it's good fish, I don't know what it is. Might be a pike. Oh, big bass. Oh my gosh, that's a nice bass. Oh my gosh, that's a big bass. He's not big, but it's bigger than what I caught. It's a good bass, dude. Back hook, back hook. Yes. Oh my gosh. That's a good bass, dude. Let's go, dude. That's a good bass. Oh my gosh. Bro, when you surface, I thought it was like a 4-pounder. I said they're so stocky this year. Oh my god, and it popped off. Oh, it popped off. That's a good bass, guys. Nice little 3-pounder. Oh my gosh. Guys, we just caught a nice, I gotta take this off so I can see. A nice bass right here. Oh my gosh. That's a beautiful fish. Look at that thing. Wow, dude. Yes, on that crankbait. All right, put him in the well. Woo, scared me. Oh, yes. Scared the crap out of me, dude. Again, guys, all day it's been this lure right here. Lucky Craft, missing eye. That's that Lucky Craft right there, guys, on 12-pound test floral. Oh my goodness. Blackback chartreuse, Takahiro, man. Woo! This lure right here has saved my butt many times. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what the heck? It's like they're just eating partial of it, just half of it. It's working, they're just not eating the whole thing. Got him. There we go. There we go. Big bass. Good bass actually, not a big bass. Yep. Dude, it bites so hard, dude. Oh my gosh. Ah, yes, that's a good bass, dude. Wow. Oh, we're gonna let this one go actually, just because I want a bigger one in the well. We already got 4 in the box, so I'm gonna let this one go. Yep. All right, catch and release. These bass just fight so hard, they feel big. Jeez. What the heck? Did you guys see that? The freaking pike. It is so freaking hard, dude. Man. Dude, you're not even that big. Why did you fight so freaking hard? Yo. Whew, scared the crap out of me. Got my blade. Alright, so we're gonna release it. Again, it's just for fun. See if I can release the little one first. They are so feisty. Yep, just a smaller fish. Alright, catch and release. See ya, buddy. One fish. There's the other one. Another nice fish. Healthy bass right there. Alright. 2 fish. Here's the other one. Alright. 3. The last one. There you go, guys. Gotta get down low. Alright. Good bass. Going back. Do it. Yeah.